is a 19 TLX. We just took the door panel off it. I'm now gonna take this piece, just pull on it. See how easy it just comes out. We need to get to these three guys here. That's it. And they're all number 10s. One, two, and three. Okay, these three 10s. And then make sure you push this pin right here, unplug it. The mirror, you see it just comes out. Make sure that this doesn't get hung up. I'll show you. Very simple. Replace the mirror. The foam stays with it. Going back in, make sure that this gets fished through this hole first. And these three 10s, line those up, bring them in, just tighten them. Don't over tighten these, you'll snap them. They're not meant to be over tightened. And you put this thing just slides right back on. That's as easy as it gets to taking the mirrors off these TLXs. Subscribe to our channel, guys. Give us some feedback. We'll get some newer cars in, so we'll have some cool stuff.